What may be the second question? Second question क्या होगा? First question we have done. Second question. What is the topic? Me and my environment. When I go for shopping, I carry my own cloth bag. Second question. Who would speak? Anyone in the class would like to speak? Second question.
When I go for picnic.
When I go for picnic, okay? What would you do? No, you are supposed, just you will be asking only one question. No. Me and my environment. So first question is that you are not, when I go for shopping, I carry my own clothes bag. This way I don't.
Ma'am, there are 5 topics.
5 topics are there. You are supposed to choose any of those topics. Here, one has been done for at least how many questions will ask?
Disposal of
Me
garbage.
and my environment. Here we are doing about me and my environment. So another first thing, you go for shopping, you carry your own cloth bag. Another thing, when you eat something, suppose that you are feeling thirsty, you purchase a cold drink. Isn't it? Where will you throw the bottle? Where will you throw the
In the dustbin.
You can write 3 questions. I will throw it near the shop. I will search for a dustbin. I will keep it in my bag and I would ask it later.
Ask for throw garbage on dustbin.
Okay? You will search for a dustbin. What may be the next question?
Mode of traveling to nearby places.
Mode of traveling.
Mode of traveling to nearby places.
Right.
Mode of traveling nearby places. Suppose that you have to go to half a kilometer
So
for
we not use
shopping. What will you do? You will take your car, you will take your bike, or you will go on foot.
Cycle.
On foot.
On foot.
Yeah, you can go on foot. You can go on cycle. Maybe there. Okay.
Bicycle.
Next. Question number 3.
Next topic is
question number 3 we have done.
planted.
We will do question number 4.
Number 4.
Suppose that
Number of trees planted. Number of trees planted.
Number of trees planted.
Yes.
Number of trees planted.
You can suppose that you see a tree that is dying on the roadside. A tree is there. Not tree is there. A plant is there that is dying. That needs proper care. What would you do? Would you leave it for someone to do it?
No, ma'am.
Or you will water, and you will, you will.
We can reuse the
water it. In this way, you can make a few questions for that. Understood? Now exchange your questionnaire with your partner. Has your partner put the commas in right places? And what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to put commas at proper place. You are supposed to see, because nowadays we are not doing our classes in classrooms, so we can't exchange. So it's better you see whether you have put commas at proper place or not. Now I am going to start question number C. Look at the picture and the notice given below. Question number 1 is there. Imagine you are the salesperson who has to sell this t-shirt. Please Complete the sentence given below, which you would use to describe it. This T set is the perfect one for you. It's unbreakable. It comprises 6 saucers. Okay, it is done. Next, imagine this is your garden. You love to sit here most of the time. Complete the sentence to say why you like it. I like my garden because it has beautiful trees. It is written. Now imagine you are a travel guide. Complete the sentence given below to guide the passengers on the cruise. Get help from the notice below. While on the cruise, stay on the deck. Don't
Walk at range
huh,
and don't
huh,
speak loudly.
yes, don't walk here and there. You can now
Uh,
while on the cruise. Notice has been
do
given
not
while on the
perform
cruise.
such behavior
Breath
that
deeply,
anyone
have
get
only dry
disturbed.
Do not look at waves.
country.
Not speak loudly. These are the things you are not supposed to do. And what things you are supposed to do? You are supposed to have only dry toast and tea. You are supposed to breathe
Breathe
heavily.
deeply.
Yes. Clear? Next, do's and don'ts. Do after DO, it is comma. And in don'ts, after DONT, DON, it is comma. And that PS, it is not actually comma. It is contraction mark. Understood?
Apostrophe.
Apostrophe, we can use apostrophe, but here it has been used as contraction mark. Here it is does, DOES. Do's and don'ts. Do not. So, यहाँ पे we have not written complete word. Instead, we have written a short form of the words. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, should we switch over to worksheet number 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is there in worksheet number 9? Read the following passage. Who will read the passage?
Ma'am, me.
Can I
Ma'am,
Okay,
me.
start. Who said me? हाँ.
Ma'am, ma'am.
जिसने भी me. No, जिसने me पहले बोला वो start कर दिया. Okay, start.
Mr. Polter and Miss Penny have been working untiringly and sincerely, anxiously and nervously in the office for the last 12 hours. They have been trying to locate some important files. They have looked high and low, in and out, but are unable to trace them. Mr. Polter, who is otherwise efficient and organized, cheerful and patient, seems to be getting rather irritated. Penny, who on the other hand is usually nervous and impatient, careless and anxious, is surprisingly calm and patient, careful and organized.
Very good. What is next?
Work with your partner and underline the pairs of words used in the passage. One has been done for you. Complete the following sentence. Pair of words connected by and are separated by.
Yeah, separated by commas. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Untiringly and sincerely. Comma, anxiously and nervously. Okay? High and
Yes.
low, in and out. Efficient and organized. Careful and patient. Nervous and impatient. Careless and anxious. Calm and patient.
Careful and organized.
Yes. We have done. Now, should we switch over to worksheet number 9C?
Yes,
We
ma'am.
have done. Complete the following statement. Pairs of words connected by and separated by comma.
Commas.
Now read the following newspaper report and punctuate them properly, appropriately with capital letters, full stop, and commas. Who will read? Read.
Karve injured. Renowned footballer Pratik Karve was injured while playing a match last evening. He is reported to have a fractured pelvis, broken arm, a fractured skull, and internal injuries. His condition is said to be a critical and unsustainable, painful, and unpredictable. White Wilson. Once Mr.
Beard Wilson.
Once Mr. Wilson was arrested for sharing his caravan with a donkey, 3 grizzly bears, 13 dogs, a monkey, and 8 children.
Your voice is not coming clearly. Okay, we will continue this preposition, punctuation. We will start from page number. Which page number we are doing? We are doing page number 132. We will start from 132C. Okay. So I am going to end the meeting. Voice is not clear. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Your voice it's not coming clearly. So that's why
Ma'am, I will speak.
Speak you want to, but I think time is also over now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any time the meeting would end. So I am going to end the meeting. Clear?
Okay,
We'll do
ma'am.
it.
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise, you people will start and it will be ended. So it's better that I should end. Okay.
Okay,
Bye,
thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Hello. बोलो. Hello. हाँ बोलो. Recording on. क्या चीज? अरे बोलो. चलो बाय.